To enhance transparency and quality in the voluntary carbon market, Vietnam should implement a series of key measures. Standardizing reporting and verification protocols will ensure consistency across projects, while requiring independent third-party verification can guarantee the authenticity and additionality of emissions reductions. Establishing publicly accessible registries to track credits and detailed reporting from project developers will improve data transparency and prevent double counting. Leveraging advanced technologies like satellite imagery and blockchain for continuous monitoring can increase the accuracy of emissions data. Encouraging best practices and peer reviews will help maintain high project quality, and involving a broad range of stakeholders in project planning and implementation will ensure that local needs are addressed and support is gained. Strengthening regulatory oversight through clear regulations and regular audits will reinforce market integrity, while education and awareness campaigns can promote understanding and demand for high-quality carbon credits. By adopting these measures, Vietnam can build a more transparent, reliable, and effective voluntary carbon market. 1. Develop national standards. Vietnam should establish and enforce national standards for carbon credit reporting and verification that align with international protocols. This includes setting clear guidelines for project design, monitoring, and reporting, ensuring consistency and credibility. 2. Create a centralized registry. Implement a centralized carbon credit registry that tracks the issuance, transfer, and retirement of credits within Vietnam. This registry should be publicly accessible to increase transparency and allow stakeholders to verify the status and authenticity of credits. 3. Adopt advanced monitoring technologies. Utilize technologies like satellite imagery, remote sensing, and blockchain for real-time monitoring of carbon credit projects. This will enhance the accuracy and reliability of emissions data and ensure continuous compliance with standards. 4. Implement independent verification. Require all carbon credits to undergo independent third-party verification by accredited bodies. This ensures that emissions reductions are real, measurable, and additional, and helps maintain high standards of quality. 5. Promote best practices. Develop and promote best practice guidelines for project developers in Vietnam, focusing on high-quality project design and implementation. Encourage adherence to these guidelines through training programs and technical support. 6. Engage stakeholders. Involve local communities, NGOs, and industry experts in the planning and implementation of carbon credit projects. This ensures that projects address local needs and gain broad support, enhancing their effectiveness and sustainability. 7. Strengthen regulatory oversight. Establish a regulatory framework with clear rules and regular audits to enforce compliance and prevent fraud. The Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, MNRE, could play a key role in overseeing the market and ensuring adherence to regulations. 8. Increase public awareness. Launch education and awareness campaigns to inform stakeholders about the importance of transparency and quality in the carbon market. This will help drive demand for high-quality credits and support market integrity. 1. Standardize reporting and verification. Develop and enforce standardized reporting and verification protocols that all projects must follow. This ensures consistency in how emissions reductions are measured, reported, and verified across different projects. Require independent third-party verification for all carbon credits to ensure that emissions reductions are real, measurable, and additional. Accredited verification bodies should be used to maintain high standards of quality and integrity. 2. Enhance data transparency. Create and maintain publicly accessible carbon credit registries that track the issuance, transfer, and retirement of credits. This transparency helps prevent double counting and allows stakeholders to verify the status of credits. Ensure that project developers provide detailed and transparent reports on their methodologies, monitoring processes, and verification outcomes. These reports should be accessible to all market participants and the public. 3. Implement robust monitoring systems. Utilize advanced technologies such as satellite imagery, remote sensing, and blockchain to monitor and verify emissions reductions. These technologies can provide real-time data and increase the accuracy of reporting. Establish systems for continuous monitoring of projects to ensure ongoing compliance and to detect any deviations from expected performance. 4. encourage best practices and peer reviews, develop and promote best practice guidelines for project developers, focusing on high-quality project design, implementation, and reporting. These guidelines should be based on international standards and tailored to local contexts. Implement peer review mechanisms where projects are assessed and reviewed by experts in the field. This helps identify and address potential issues before credits are issued. 5. Foster stakeholder engagement. Involve a wide range of stakeholders, including local communities, NGOs, and industry experts, in the project planning and implementation phases. This ensures that projects address local needs and gain broad support. Establish mechanisms for stakeholders to provide feedback and raise concerns about projects. This can help identify potential issues early and ensure that projects are managed transparently. 6. Strengthen regulatory oversight. Develop and enforce clear regulations governing the voluntary carbon market. This includes setting standards for project registration, credit issuance, and trading practices. Conduct regular audits of carbon credit projects and market practices to ensure compliance with regulations and standards. This helps maintain the integrity of the market and deters fraudulent activities. Offer training programs for project developers, investors, and other market participants on best practices, standards, and regulatory requirements. This helps improve the quality of projects and ensures that all participants understand the market's expectations. Raise public awareness about the importance of transparency and quality in the carbon market. Educating consumers and investors about the benefits of high-quality credits can drive demand for more reliable and impactful projects.